Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to everyone. Today, Daniel, Ariq and I will represent to you climate change and global warming. First of all, we need to know what is climate change. Climate change refers to the change in temperature of the earth, rainfall distribution and drastic change of the winds. This change can be seen as the result of greenhouse effect phenomenon. Second of all, we need to know what is global warming. Global warming occurs when carbon dioxide and other air pollutants collect in the atmosphere and absorb sunlight and solar radiation that have been bounced to Earth's surface. Normally, this radiation will escape into space, but this pollutant, which can last for years to the centuries in the atmosphere, trap the heat and causes the planet to get hotter. This heat-trapping pollutant, specifically carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, water vapor and synthetic fluorinated gases are known as greenhouse gases, and their impact is called the greenhouse effect.
What is greenhouse effect? So first of all, we have to understand what is greenhouse. So greenhouse is a building with a glass wall and a glass roof. So greenhouse are used to grow plants such as tomatoes, tropical flowers and many others plants. So what the greenhouse will do is that during the daytime, okay, the sunlight will shine into the greenhouse and warm the plants and the air. But at the night time, okay, the glass of the greenhouse will trap the heat and warm the plants, even though it is cool outside. So this is very important for the growth of the plants itself. How about our Earth? So our Earth doesn't have any glasses, but we have something that we call it as the atmosphere. So the atmosphere contains gases such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide, methane, and CFC. And we call these gases as the greenhouse gases. So during the daytime, okay, the sunlight will shine through the atmosphere and warm the surface of the Earth. And at the night time, okay, the Earth will cool and releasing the heat back into the atmosphere and into the space. But some heat are trapped by these greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. And this is very important to keep our Earth warm and cozy at around a temperature of 58 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 degrees Celsius on the average. However, human activities are changing the Earth's natural greenhouse effect. Burning of fossil fuels like coal and oil. This all kind of stuff are putting more and more carbon dioxide into our atmosphere. And too much of these greenhouse gases can cause the atmosphere to trap more and more heat. And eventually our Earth's temperature will increase every year. And this gives a very big impact to our surrounding, the melting of iceberg, the climate changes, many others things.
Okay, next is burning fossil fuel. When we burn oil, coal, and gas, we do not just meet our energy needs. We drive the current global warming crisis as well. Fossil fuel product larger quantity of the carbon dioxide when burned. Carbon emission trap heat into the atmosphere and lead to climate change. Next is deforestation. Deforestation is a powerful cleaning of the forested land. Throughout history and into modern time, forests have been razed to make space to agriculture and animal raising, and to obtain wood of the fuel, manufacture and construction. Deforestation has greatly altered landscape around the world. 3. Absorb and store carbon dioxide in forests and clean or even distribute. They release carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. Forest loss and damage is the current of around 10% of global warming. There are simply no way we can fight the climate crisis if we do not stop deforestation. Animal husbandry is the branch of the Animal husbandry is the branch of the agriculture connected with animals that are released for meat, fabric, milk, and other products. It included day-to-day care, selective breeding, and raising of the livestock. Raising livestock for human consumption generate nearly 50% to total global greenhouse gas emission, with the grades that all the transportation emission combined. It also used near 70% of agriculture land, with lead to bring the major contributor to deforestation, biodiversity loss, and water pollution. It now refers to the periodic cooling of the ocean surface temperature in the center of the East Central Quadrilateral Pacific. La Nina case the jet stream to move northward and to weaken over the Eastern Pacific.
That's all. Thank you.